Hi dear friends, I am here to make you glamorous with the topic grammar. Let us practice grammar and the questions 1, 2 and 3. Particularly in the language, even when we write or speak, punctuation plays a major role. This is a concept based on how we punctuate, and based on the punctuation marks, how we identify the kind of the sentence. Let us see. Identify the type of sentences and punctuate them correctly. Is Mowgli a wolf cub? If I just read it out, there is no impression. But when I add a punctuation mark, for example, it is starting with an auxiliary verb is. So definitely this might be a question. Question means interrogative type of sentence. For a question word, for a question type of sentence, we have to add a question mark. Now, if you read it or if you ask the question, is Mowgli a wolf cub? That gives perfect soundness. That is what I told you, adding glamour, right? So this is interrogative. Give the man's cub to me. Give the man's cub to me. There is no expression. If I add a full stop and if I utter, if I raise my voice and command as a command, yes, give the man's cub to me, it's imperative. Balu will teach Mowgli the law of the jungle. It is going to be some kind of declaration or information passed. When a declaration is made, it is going to be an assertive sentence which takes a full stop at the end, or we call that a declarative sentence. Look, a man's cub. Look, a man's cub. Look, a man's cub. Look, a man's cub. It's not giving any expression. Look, a man's cub. Exclamation. It is going to be an exclamatory sentence. I killed a bull. Will you accept that as payment? Will, an auxiliary verb. When a sentence starts with an auxiliary verb, we put a question mark at the end. So this is going to be interrogative. Let us go to the next topic. Form yes or no questions for the following statements. I am Sher Khan. Who are you? The answer is I am. So your question is, are you Sher Khan? Or an auxiliary verb, put a question mark at the end. The answer is yes. When a question is asked using an auxiliary verb, the answer we are getting is either yes or no. Are you Sher Khan? Yes, I am Sher Khan. No, I am not Sher Khan. He comes from the Satpura hills. Comes is equal to does plus come. Now the question has to start with the word does. Does he come from the Satpura hills? Question mark. Please let me enter your den. It is an imperative sentence. Will you let me? Could you let me? Do you let me? Yes. Please. Will you let me enter your den? The bull that was killed by Bagheera is hidden in the woods. Was the bull killed by Bagheera hidden in the woods? You know where they keep the honey? You know is, do you know? Because no is do plus no. Do you know where they keep the honey? The wolves will take care of Mowgli. Will the wolves take care of Mowgli? Next. Balu the bear is teaching Mowgli and the other cubs about the jungle. Read the sentences and put correct articles wherever required. Leave the blanks empty where an article is not required. The jungle lies in India is a proper noun. We should not use any article there. Which lies in Asia. Next, dash Indian Ocean. We use the before oceans. And seas. The. The Indian Ocean lies to the south and the Arabian Sea lies to the west of the country. Dash Hindi is widely spoken by men here. Before a language, we don't use any article. Dash Pench River flows through our jungle. The Pench River. Dash Bhojtal Lake is just outside our jungle. We do not go beyond it. The Bhojtal Lake. We have the Satpura mountain range to the north of the jungle. The Dupgar mountain is its highest point. The jungle we live in has an island named the Mandhata Island. Hope you have understood this concept. See you all. Stay tuned.